Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram won't open on iPhone. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into settings. Once in settings, you want to check if your Wi-Fi or if your mobile data is connected. If both of them is connected and other apps are opening up, what I would recommend you do, for example, if you are using mobile data, you are going to scroll down and you want to check if you see Instagram right here, and then you want to ensure that it is toggled on. As if this is turned off, that would mean that it does not have access to mobile data. If you have done that and it's already on, if you are using mobile data, the next thing you're going to do is scroll down and you're going to select General. After selecting General, you're going to select iPhone Storage. Then you're going to give it a few seconds to load up. Once it has loaded up, what I want you to do is select Instagram. And after selecting Instagram, you're going to tap on Offload App. And don't worry, by offloading the app, you won't delete any of your information on Instagram. The only thing that this will do is basically clear the cache. So after tapping on Offload App, you're going to tap again on Reinstall App, and you will reinstall the Instagram app, and then you're going to try again and see if Instagram is now opening up. If it isn't opening up, what I would recommend you do is delete the app fully and then try and reinstall the app again. So you would go into App Store and try and reinstall the app again and then try again. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.